What is up, you guys? We got another video today. Got the C63 AMG. Woo! We still starting. It's all good. The battery is not failed yet. We still alive and running. All good. Boom. It is -1.5 degrees Celsius. Yo, okay, so like, I think at this point I feel like we're living in a North Pole, because we wake up, there is no sunlight. We go to work, there is no sunlight. We look out the window for lunch, no sunlight. We come outside after work, no sunlight. So this is kind of not really fun, but you know what is fun? Getting Amazon packages. Best thing in the world. Boom. What do we have in here? So obviously I didn't cold start the car because I was warming it up, because I want to be able to jump in with the car being relatively warm. So let's get this package. Let's get this package open. I wonder what we got in here. Let's see. Okay, I will unfortunately destroy this package. Come on, I got this. Bro, okay. This is what happens when you don't have nails. Okay, boom, boom. What do we got in here? Okay, looks interesting. Universal something? Not my address, don't care. What is this? What is this? It looks like some metal. Whoa, what is that? This looks interesting. I wonder what I ordered. Let's find out. Okay, just so I don't cut myself. Oh, look at that stainless steel. That stainless China metal. And welcome to Chinesium. Let's go. Guess what we got, guys? We bought an X-pipe. We are going back to the X-pipe life. We are currently straight piped. We got our long tube headers, and then we have our straight pipe exhaust. No secondary cats or inline resonators, whatever you want to call it. We don't have the main resonator. We do have the stock muffler. So we're gonna be putting back the X-pipe. So we got the headers kind of like over here in the front. We got the resonator that was supposed to be in the middle, and the mufflers in the back. So the question is, are we gonna put the X-pipe closer to the headers, or are we gonna put it further away? Well, because it's all straight pipe, I don't think it really matters, but we want to get the exhaust to flow and basically, what do we want to call it, mix as close as possible to the header. So we're going to put this X-pipe right at the start of the engine. You guys will see it. Like, I'll film another video once we take it to the exhaust shop to get it welded. But yeah, I am super excited to get the X-pipe noise back, because honestly right now the car just sounds like, what do you want to call it? It sounds like, I don't know, just grunty and mean. Like, listen to this. Like, see, it just sounds like angry. Like when you drive. See, it just sounds like loud and brappy and just crazy. Like, look at this. Well, obviously there's no traction because I'm in the snow, but you get what I mean. It's like, it feels weird. It feels like it has just, not that it doesn't have a soul, but it just feels like way too grunty and a little bit raspy. I want it to have that kind of, not original sound, but I want it to have that old AMG style sound. Like, it just sounds like a V8 race car right now. Like, it just screams, but it doesn't have that original soul that the car had. So once we put the X-pipe, which is exactly what the factory resonators technically are, it's just, you know, there's a little bit of blockage in the center, but it does have the connection in the center of the resonator. So this is going to kind of imitate it, and we'll get that imitation AMG like factory sound, except it's still going to be nice and grunty. All right, guys, I am going to get to driving. We got to go and fuel up. We got so much stuff to do. It has been an insanely busy day. Like, ever since it just snowed right now, it has been crazy. Like, hundreds, I'm not even kidding, hundreds of people asking nonstop for winter tires, service, this, that. So I barely even had a chance to eat or breathe today. And I realized that, like, I don't know, how long can this continue for? Like, we really gotta step things up, put the last bit of energy into the videos, and finish strong, because like, it's getting tough. Like, this is not an easy thing to do non-stop, you know, like to balance all this stuff. So anyways, guys, with that being said, I will see y'all tomorrow with a new video. We are hopefully gonna get this installed either next video or the video after. We are gonna go get some gas, get some food. Yes, that's the AMG grunt we're talking about. Transmission feels way better now. Okay guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.